Hey y'all, if you're new here, welcome back, bestie. And if you're, wait, I just said that over. Hey, it's your girl JP. If you're new here, hey bestie. And if you're returning, welcome back, bestie. So as you can tell by the title of the video today, we're going to be doing a Christmas wish list. Christmas is like damn near going to be tomorrow, but you know, I'm going to tell y'all what is on my list. Before we hop into this video, I need you to go ahead, like, and subscribe because we're besties. We're locked in. And if we locked in, it ain't no switching up. But if you don't subscribe, we ain't locked in. But I still love you. So yes, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this out to your friends, your family. And yeah, let's hop straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing on my list is some Tims. I want some butter Tims, okay? Okay. With my big old puffer. Be stepping on you hoes, be shitting on you hoes. But no, dead serious though, I really want some Tims. I just love the look. And the way the girls been eating the look up lately, I gotta do it. Because it's so cute. They've been eating the look up with the jeans, like the bootcut jeans and the Tims. Eating the look up. Okay, next on the list is the Golden Star Ugg clogs. I want them in brown, and I just feel like these are so cute. Y'all cannot tell me they're not cute. They're very cute. Look at them. Clocky. The item I want that I need and I'm going to have, if not by Christmas, by my birthday, is the Valentino Extravaganza perfume. I need you. I need you here with me ASAP.
I see that. I want that. But I have that.
If you have not smelled that perfume, go to Ulta, get a little test strip, and spray it. Oh my gosh, she smells amazing. Next on the list is the A6 Gel Kayano 14, if I said those right. It don't matter. I don't know what color I want, but I just know I want a pair of those shoes. I want the pink, the gold, the silver. All of them are so cute, and really I'll take all three, but you know, it was between those and the New Balances because I do want New Balances too, but yeah, the A6 are so cute. The next is some hoodies. Like, I just want some hoodies. It don't matter what brand. I don't care if you went to, I really want these hoodies up here, these, but I don't care where you get your hoodies from. If you go to Forever 21, if you get them on Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Thing, wherever they come from, I just want some hoodies, some warm hoodies. Like, I love hoodies. Then last and final, y'all, don't judge me, but just know, Thanksgiving had me messed up using that hand grater. So now I need a cheese rotary grater. It's ASAP, it's mandatory. I don't make mac and cheese like that, but still, next time I make mac and cheese, just know for sure it will not be used with a grater. Like, no, that took so long. It was just like, I need somebody down here doing that for me. But I got it done. And they fucked that macaroni and cheese up. Period. But yes, y'all, that is everything on my wish list. And drop down below what's the one thing you want. Or you can just drop down your whole list, whatever. Drop down your list or drop down your top 3 things you want for Christmas. And I hope y'all have a great holiday. I'm gonna see y'all. You know, I really want to continue this vlogmas, but I don't know. I don't want to make no promises because I like to keep promises, so I don't want to make promises. I'm gonna try to come back tomorrow with another video. Drop some ideas for me, please, because y'all, I just hopped in. Actually, I lied. I've been doing it, but on my shorts. So I've been posting the video every day on my shorts, but not on my videos as, like, you know. Yeah. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, send this to a friend, tell a friend, come join the besties because we're locked in. And if you ain't locked in with me, then who you locked in with? Cause show ain't Bella Noche. But alright, I love y'all. Have a great rest of your day and have a great night, morning, or, you know, yabba dabba doo. Mwah.